You gotta stop him. I'll cover you from here.
Wait, so you're telling me that coffin stank is so strong that it turns people rabid? Wait till they smell my farts. I have the hiccups again. Wait, where am I going? Oh. Can I just jump down here? They actually had a death scene for it though. They have armor, I don't. Oh! Dude. Okay, I guess we have to kill everybody first, because then I can't go up without getting fucking mauled in the back. Okay, we're good.
He's over there.
Hiccups. Wow, they have red helicopters? Why doesn't they just... Oh, they don't want to shoot it. We got a relic from the dark web. We bought a relic from the dark web. We don't shoot at it! Oh. What?! Seriously? Oh, what? His legs are no more.
Oh my god.
Boss fight? Thanks, Graveview and Vixie, and no need for topics. Jeez. Showdown. I don't have a shot. Where's my pistol? How am I supposed to... Do I need a scope on this? Oh, there's a gun over there. Goodbye. There's a gun on the left. I need to pick it up. Hold on. Why would you give me fucking shotgun ammo?
This is over.
Why does his shotgun have a laser pointer? Do shotguns come with laser pointers usually?
Daff Stan.
What the fuck?
This is over.
I can do that too. If it doesn't do that much. Take your time. On your left. More guns. My box. No, dude, I get out of here. He got fucking stuck on the side of the crate. Oh god, I gotta do it again. Amazing. Just spamming. Yeah, they only gave you a shotgun for this part, by the way. Unless you want to walk up to him and take his shots to the face. Now what? Why would they make the roll button the same button as cover? You try to roll somewhere, you end up getting stuck trying to go into the cover on the side. Shoots about the same.
This is over.
Quick, the game's almost over. Pad the game time. Wait, that's hitting me? Fuck. What is he aiming? He's like doing circle. What? Huh?
He doesn't have a chance.
He just one-shot me? Okay, dude. Oh, you can't even hit him. You can't even hit him. You just have to kill the dudes until he moves. That's why devs don't deserve to eat. Put some shit like this in the game and they're like, yeah, this is a good idea. Oh, God. It is just a stall. There's so much stalling. Amazing.
Got you surrounded. Spread out. He's over there.
What is this, turn-based combat?
You're through, Drake. Spread out. Come on.
I can't move. I can't move. No, what the fuck? Oh god.
This is over. Come on
Oh, he can hit me from there?
This is over.
I just have to wait for the lasers to go away every time. Or he's gonna one-shot me.
Dead. Last hit.
Turn-based boss fight. Woo! They should have just made this part into a card game. Like, yo, let's battle it out over a game of fucking poker or some shit. Might as well.
You're mine, punk.
I actually don't like the M4 that much here. You could at least kind of one-shot them, maybe. Dear God. Get some ammo.